Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's late in the season, so we're kind of just walking around the campsite here, and I built a pretty cool woodshed behind me made out of pallets. So I figured before we wrap things up for the season, I'd do a quick walk around and tell you how I made it, and it's something you can easily build on your own. It'll keep your wood dry and up and off the ground. Let's walk around it and check it out. So I did this. I got a bunch of free pallets, and I put one down on the ground. It's like 4x4s or 4 by like 3.5s or something like that. It's a typical standard smaller pallet size. So I put one down on the ground right there, and then for the sides I just nailed a couple of pallets, like one on each side, one there, and then I put another one on the side right there. And I had to trim them down a little bit to fit the other pallet on the back, so I trimmed them up with the Sawzall that I have, and I was able to fit the other one around the back right there so everything would fit. So I did for all the sides. I just nailed them to the bottom pallet. So I nailed this one in, the back one in, and also the other side here as well, and kind of tied it all together. For the roof, I put another pallet on the roof, and I cut some wood out of the middle of a 6th to 7th pallet that I had, and tilted the this one up so that the rain would run off of the tin here on the top, the corrugated tin. And it's been working pretty well. To kind of hide like the openings at the end of the pallets, I kind of took some pallet boards and just made some trim pieces so it covers like all the openings and it looks more finished and a little bit better. And I made like a header panel up here, and the way I was able to get, you know, a piece of wood long enough for the header panel is I cut another piece. Let's see if we can see it. And right here on the inside, I just cut a piece of wood and nailed it to the top, and I was able to nail in these 4 pieces of trim on the top to make like the header on the top. And it's nice and sturdy. It's in there really good. So it holds a ton of wood. I'm gonna order some in the spring, or maybe in a couple weeks so it sits all winter. But I'm into this for pretty much no money. I did buy the top from Lowe's, and it was like a big sheet of corrugated metal, and it was one big long sheet. I cut it in half, and I kind of overlapped it a little bit to fit, which is, you can see it right here, and I just nailed it to the top, but that way the rain can run off of it, and looks kind of cool. It'll be a little more rustic. So just wanted to do like a quick and easy, you know, campsite idea for you, show you what I did to keep your wood dry, and not into it for a whole lot of money. I'm into it for 15 bucks for the roof. And I even ended up reusing, you know, most of the nails. I banged out the nails that were in the wood, reused a lot of those, and just nailed it all back together. It was really easy to do, and that's kind of how I did it. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll reply back to you. And give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.